Now we are going to do supplementary exercise 3. Question 12. 9u minus 4 times 9u plus 4. We use the identity a minus plus b, a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. So with 9u bracket square minus 4 square. 9 squared is 81, u squared and then minus 16. For number 14, 6 minus 7a squared. So this is a perfect square. We are using a minus b bracket square equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Please remember this. There will be 6 squared minus 2 times 6 times 7a plus bracket 7a all square. So it will be 36 minus 12 times 7, 84a plus 49a squared. Number 16. Negative 5y minus 4 square. You can do it this way. A is negative 5y and b is 4. So using this again, a square and then minus 2ab plus b square. So it's 25y square plus 40y plus 16. Number 17. Negative 3x plus 6 all square equal to 6 minus 3x all square. It will be 36 6 square minus 2 times 6 times 3x plus 3x bracket square. So it will be 36 minus 36x plus 9x square. Number 18. Negative 3 times x plus 2 square. We do the square first. We are using a plus b all square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So these two perfect squares, first term and the last term always positive, and the middle term followed by the sign inside the bracket. X square plus 2x2 plus 2 square. Negative 3 x squared plus 4x plus 4. Negative 3x squared minus 12x minus 12. Number 21. 5001 square minus 4999 square is a square minus b square, and it will equal to bracket a plus b times bracket a minus b. So is it 5001 plus 40999 times 5001 minus 4999. It will be 1000 times 2. So it will be this 10,000, this 20,000. Number 22. 100.5 times 99.5. These two numbers close to 100. 100 plus 0.5 times 100 minus 0.5. 100 square minus 0.5 square. It will be 10,000 minus 0.25. It will be 9999.75. Number 23. 402 square. It is 400 plus 2 square. So I'm using the perfect square identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it's 164 0, and then 4 times 4, 62 0 plus 4. So we 161604. And 29.7 square is 30 minus 0.3 square. And it will be 930 square minus 2 times 30 times 0.3 plus 0.3 square. So it will be 900 minus 330 times 0.3 is 9. This 0 and this 9, 18 plus 0.09. So it will be 882 plus 0.09. So it will be 882.09. Okay, number 28, determine whether this is an identity. So this one I have to use a very, use the format. Okay, left hand side, expand. Now you can use a perfect square to expand. 2a minus b all squared, so it's 2a bracket square minus 2 times 2a times b plus b squared, and then plus 4ab plus b squared. Okay, this is left hand side, so it will be 4a squared minus 4ab plus b squared plus b squared plus 4ab. These two 4ab cancel, so it's 4a squared plus 2b squared. So let's see for the right hand side. Right hand side, a plus b times a minus b is a squared minus b squared using the identities. So we 4a squared minus 4b squared plus 2b squared. So we 4a squared minus 2b squared. So is it the same? No. This minus, this plus. So because left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so it is not an identity. So for 29, given identity and then given some constants, you need to find the constants. So you just expand it out. 6ax squared plus 6by plus 3axy xy plus 3by squared. So the xy term can combine. So 6b plus 3a xy plus 3by squared. So if you're comparing like terms, you know 6a is 36, so a is 6. 6b plus 3a is negative c, but you don't know c. b. 3b is negative 9, so b is negative 3. So you now know negative c is 6 times negative 3 plus 3 times 6. So it's 18 minus 18, 0. So c equals 0. Okay, this one. Left hand side, 4x squared plus 8x minus 2ax minus 4a minus bx plus 25. Right hand side, x squared minus 2xc 2cx plus c squared plus cx squared. So the combined terms, x squared terms plus 4x squared, x term, 3x term, 8 minus 2a minus bx, constant term plus negative 4a plus 25. Right hand side, x squared, okay, plus cx squared. So 1 plus c x squared. The x term is negative 2cx, and the constant term is c squared. So the x squared term, x terms, and constant terms. So it's difficult. 4 equal to 1 plus c. Comparing like term, c is equal to 3. And a minus 2a minus b equal to negative 2c. And negative 4a plus 25 equal to c squared. So c is 3. So c squared equal to 25. This is 9. Okay, negative 4a is equal to 9 minus 25. So it will be negative 16. So a is 4. So 8 minus 2 times 4 minus b equal to negative 2 times 3. So it will be 8 minus 8, negative b is negative 6. So b is 6. So b is 6, c is 3, a is 4. This one is quite difficult. Hope you understand well. So this one, you expand this out. A squared x squared, that means ax all squared plus 2 ax 3 plus v squared equal to bx squared plus cx plus 3c over 4. So it's x squared term, x term, and constant term. This one is also finished. A squared x squared plus 6ax plus 9. So now we are comparing like terms. Comparing. So a squared is equal to b, 6a equal to c, and 9 equal to 3c over 4. So c will be 3 divided by this one, so it will be 12. So c is 12, so a is 12 plus 6 equal to 2, and b equals to 2 squared equal to 4. That's it.